I can talk about IDS and its revised framework. So it's going to be split into the IDS Research Infrastructure Grant and also the IDS Collaborative Research Grant. This is the new one. The CRG is the new one. And the Collaborative Research Grant aims to encourage and support collaborative research involving 2 or more self-funded institutions or group research activities that operate across disciplines within an institution with a view to enhance the research output of self-financing institutions in terms of the level of attainment, quality, dimensions, and/or speed. So it's really trying to support collaboration so that we can all do better and solve bigger problems. And its expenditure items cover teaching relief, equipment, manpower, conferences, and expenses for dissemination of research deliverables. Now the funding level is, I think this is very generous and attractive, 2 to 10 million, inclusive of 15% on costs. And again, it's merit-based assessment. Academic merit, the potential to develop this collaborative area into an area of strength, and whether there's effective synergy. Why are you working together? Is there a synergy? Is it like you're putting together 2 pieces of a puzzle and then it's a good fit and then you get a bigger piece? What is the viability, the feasibility, and what is the research impact, potential research impact? Let me see. So by the way, I need to have a more description, elaboration on viability. So viability actually refers to project management also, okay? Because it's a collaboration. So we need to look at the project team, whether it can put in place a governance structure. A governance structure that will monitor the collaborative work. So this is especially critical if you have 2 institutions. You're collaborating across institutions. So you need to have a mechanism to monitor the progress of the collaboration and ensure that there's prudent deployment of resources, and important considerations are devoted to that. And in terms of research impact, again, it refers to beneficial effects, valuable changes, advantages that you bring to the economy, society, culture, public policy, and services. As I said earlier, for the community, for the society, whether you have technology translation into products and services. So with that, I think I've covered all grounds. So thank you very much, and I'm ready to answer any questions.